November the 7th, 2025. I've heard a little bit about Wawa. I know nothing about them. From what I heard, they're supposed to be fabulous. We'll find out. I think I saw something where he said, yeah, the first Wawa is in Georgia. Well, this is Wawa. I don't know if this is the first one. But we're going to walk in. We're going to get some pictures. It says gas and feast, or eat it, fill up and eat, feast. So we'll see if it's worth feasting on. We ate at the Hardee's. It was very good. It'd be hard for the Wawa to beat this, that's what we had, but we'll see. I guess Wawa has a car wash. We'll get some stills and go in and get some stills. Here at Wawa in Brunswick, on the corner of 303, Georgia 303, US 25, US 341, looking west, northwest, turning looking south back into Brunswick. Wawa has a car wash. We're going to go in and see. You know, we've heard a lot of hoopla about Wawa. I don't know anything about them. Gas, regular $2.76. We got gas at the Loves this morning with our 10-cent discount for $2.39. So let's check them out. Talk about gas to eat and feast, or feast and gas, or whatever. We'll check them out. Well, I know nobody pays attention to me, but I wasn't particularly impressed. I'd give a bathrooms a C at best. You don't see the food, they make it up for you, so that's a plus, but I didn't check prices or anything, but this looked like to me, not even as nice a selection and stuff as a Quick Trip. So I don't know what the hoopla is about, but I'm not excited. So let's wrap this one up.